Okay, so to wrap up this topic, we'll be looking at the uses of electrolysis. Number one is it is used in extraction of metals. Metals like sodium, those metals that are high in electrochemical series, and many a times they react very easily with other elements. You hardly find them appearing free in nature. They must always be in combined form, like sodium, potassium. You use electrolysis to do what? To extract them. Number two, it is used in electroplating to prevent corrosion. Corrosion simply means what? Rusting. So electrolysis is used. For example, when you want to, electroplating simply means covering a metal with another metal. So let's say you have an iron spoon and you don't want it to rust. So you want to electroplate it, you want to cover it with another metal to prevent it from rusting. Now, whatever metal you must cover that spoon with must be a metal that is higher than the iron in the electrochemical series. So for example, you have zinc in the electrochemical series I gave you, zinc, iron, and tin. It will be wrong for you to use tin. Remember, the one that is higher in electrochemical series will serve as the anode. The one lower will serve as the cathode. So if you use this person to coat this person, automatically this person is higher and will be serving as what? Anode. What will happen is that after some time, this iron will begin to be depositing at the thing and rusting will continue. But if you use one that is higher to coat this will serve as the anode. So this person will continually deposit here and rusting will never happen. So let's look at this electrochemical setup. Say you want to electroplate your iron spoon. You want to electroplate your iron spoon. So this your iron spoon will be here, somewhere here. Okay. This your iron spoon will be somewhere here. Now, which spoon what do you want to use to electroplate it? Maybe you want to use zinc to electroplate it, or any other metal you want to use to electroplate it. So you find out that zinc will be here. This will be the anode. Zinc will be here. Are we together? And your spoon will be here at the cathode. So that during electrolysis, this zinc will be depositing at the cathode, coating your spoon. So this is the anode. The spoon will be at the, this is the cathode. The spoon will be at the cathode, while the metal you want to use to coat it will be at the anode. Are we together? So during electrolysis, this zinc will be depositing at your spoon. At the end of the day, you have a zinc-coated spoon. If you are using nickel or chromium to coat, you have a chromium or a nickel-coated spoon. Whatever you want to use as your metal, it must be at the anode, while the element you want to coat must be at the cathode. And then the salt you'll be using will be the salt of whatever that is in the anode. So say we are using zinc, it will be what? Zinc tetraoxosulfate 6. Are we together? All right. Then the last but not the least, use of production. It is used in production of other elements. Like, if you remember in the first video we had in this electrolysis, we discovered that in the electrolysis of water is simply adding tetraoxosulfate 6 in water. Please go and watch the whole videos in electrolysis. So this is a tetraoxosulfate 6 acidified water. You have this plus this. You also have your water. You discover that at the end of the day, this goes and this one goes. So at the end of the day, you are able to produce tetraoxosulfate 6. Or a better example, you have your sodium chloride, concentrated sodium chloride solution. When it disassociates, you have this, and this. So during electrolysis, this goes. You see that you have been able to use it to produce what? Sodium hydroxide. So it is used in production of other important elements. That is, these are the uses of electrolysis. So finally, we have come to the end of this class of this topic. If you have not watched, if this is your first video on electrolysis, please move up now to watch the other videos on electrolysis so that you can comprehend the whole concept. Because in your JAMB chemistry, this topic always comes out. All right, thank you very much for watching. Please do well to subscribe to our channel and also invite your friends to do the same. Thank you and bye.